Hello everybody, my name is Isabel and I make sewing tutorials on YouTube. Today I'm showing you a project which is these ironing pillows that I made yesterday, and I don't know why I find them so cool. Sorry. I find them so very cool for some reason. I love them. I love that they're heavy and I love the noise. Listen to this. This project is perfect if you want to use some scraps of yours that you kept for a long time. I have been keeping so much scraps. This is just one box, but I have like 3 of them, plus almost an entire one that I consumed yesterday to make these. So yeah, if you don't have scraps, you should definitely keep the scraps of your projects to be able to make these. So you're gonna, recycle things a little bit. And these are actually useful to iron darts or anything where you have a curve. It can be also necklines, sleeves. Yeah, can be sleeves as well. I haven't really explored the way to use them, but prior to having them, I was always using the corners of my ironing board, which is not exactly super convenient. So the inspiration for this project comes from a video that I saw on YouTube in which there is a lady who is showing us how to DIY a few sewing accessories. These were just 2 of all the projects that she's showing. In her video, she gives the measurements and the dimensions of these so that you can draw them again yourself. I used her measurements to create my own pattern. You're going to be able to download it for free, of course. Just have a look at the description and click the link. So you can see this comes here and the other one comes here like that. Okay, so let's get into the tutorial. You're gonna see it's a very easy project. It takes quite some time actually to shred the scraps that you have so that you can fill the cushions with them. I think just this part took me like an hour. But other than that, I loved this project. I'll let you watch the video and I'll see you at some point, just now actually, in the video. Bye! Alright, so these are my shapes. You have one that's got a shape like this, and another one that's got a more round shape like that. My fabric will be these. So I'm going to be making probably the smaller, using this fabric here, and then the bigger one using this one, and then the other side, like the bottom for both, is going to be in this sort of stretchy twill cotton. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut the fabric and I'll see you right after. So I have cut my shapes in my fabric and now I'm going to pin them together, right sides together. Once it's done, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to sew all around, respecting 1 centimeter of seam allowance, and I'm going to make sure to leave an opening. The opening that you should leave should be about maybe 4 centimeters, 4 or 5, and I'm probably going to leave it here in kind of a straight curve. Let's sew like leaving this opening all around and here and stopping here, okay? So this is where we are right now. I've got my 2 shapes here, and now I'm going to fill these shapes with some filling. For this purpose, a lot of scraps that I've kept. Let's already put this in here. We are back. This took forever, but this is really heavy. It actually almost consumed all the stuff all the scrap that I had in my box here. So that's a good thing. I really put as much as I could in there because I wanted them to be firm. Let me just show you what we're gonna do now, which simply is gonna be closing the openings. Here. All right, guys, so I'm done with these. This one, look, it's not exactly symmetrical. I don't think it matters. And this one looks pretty cool. Yeah. I'm actually really happy with these. Look. All right, so find the I must be tired. You can find the pattern to download in the description. I'll see you soon for a new video. Meanwhile, you take care. Kiss, bye. And thank you again to this lady who did the tutorial, the original one I got inspired by. Thank you very much. It was a good make. I had fun. I enjoyed it. Kiss, bye.